Welcome to Animal Alphabet Adventure. Let's learn A to Z with fun and cute animals.
Who purrs all day? D for dog, who loves to run and blind. A for ant, marching in a line. B for bear, who loves to climb and dine and dine. C for cat, who purrs all day. D for dog, who loves to run and play. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, who sings a croaky song. G for giraffe, so tall and bright. H for horse, who gallops with might. I for iguana, green and sly. J for jaguar, who jumps so high. K for kangaroo, hopping with grace. L for lion, king of the wild space. M for monkey, swinging up high. N for nightingale, singing to the sky. O for owl, with eyes that gleam. P for penguin, who slides on ice and dreams. Q for quail, tiny and sweet. R for rabbit, with bouncing feet. S for squirrel, quick and sly. T for turtle, who moves slowly by. U for unicorn, magical and bright. V for vulture, soaring in flight. W for whale, big and blue. X for X-ray, fish swimming through. Y for yak, strong and bold. Z for zebra, with stripes of black and gold.